get dressed and plan to go out, but you know when I'm on the scene, Barbie always shows out. Open up my closet and let me pull these clothes out. Diamond studded heavy steppers, your eyes fall out your mouth. I'm gonna be the prettiest boy at the party. I hope he's there so I can get real naughty. He's gonna be the hottest boy at the party, and it's gonna be fun, gonna be real gnarly. Lashes extended, pre-game and get lit. I'm not trying to fight tonight, hope my friends listen. He's on my wish list, he got me wishing. Boy, I see you staring, so what's your intention? Pull up to the scene with my crew, have some fun, that's what we finna do. I'ma do me, so baby do you. Got these drinks, I'm in a good mood. Get on Snapchat, now I'm taking selfies, yeah I look good. Can't wait to post these, tweet on Twitter, update my newsfeed. Having fun, this part litty. I'm gonna be the prettiest boy at the party. I hope he's there so I can get real naughty. He's gonna be the hottest boy at the party, and it's gonna be fun, gonna be real gnarly.
Sipping on Douce, the Uber on the way. Don't know why I've been tripping lately, always get my way. Super gnarly, the group beside me, and don't you mention the shit behind me. If you can process a different mindset, take the time and beat the best stress. Okay, when it comes down to who wants to have fun, I'll be around as long as you come. Don't let me down, I just want to remember this, and with all my friends.
Guess I'll get dressed and plan to go out, but you know when I'm on the scene, Barbie always shows out. Open up my closet and let me pull these clothes out. Diamond studded heavy steppers, your eyes fall out your mouth. I'm gonna be the prettiest boy at the party. I hope he's there so I can get real naughty. He's gonna be the hottest boy at the party, and it's gonna be fun, gonna be real gnarly. I'm gonna be the prettiest boy at the party. I look like a sexy cyclops. This is my piece right here, my long Goldilocks with my purple skin. This is Maya's troll house. This is the dog carousel for a clown. You see it, all these bangles and such. And for our dreaded lady here. Are these together?
Just said that out the blue, like literally.
She knows. She knows more. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. Bitch got a house on her head. It's always a house head. Bitch, knock knock. Bitch, pay a mortgage before you play with me. The wigs, it's just the wigs. Bitch, I ain't gotta worry about you.
Starting route to Raising Cane's.
Oh, my song got a star. That means a lot of people are playing it right now.
Then turn right.
I just dropped a new song, guys. Rickeelon Chachki, Different Breed, out everywhere. I recorded and filmed the video while I was in Chicago. Let's play it, shall we?
I'm a motherfucking original, okay? I'm the OG. These niggas, I'm a different breed. I'm the blueprint, the pink print, the red print, whatever print you wanna motherfucking have. The cheetah print, bitch, you knew that. I'm the baddest bitch you ever seen. I'm the realest nigga you ever heard. Don't get fly, cause you not fly, little stupid bitch. You just a bird, don't know you, no ID. You stupid, if you try me. Told him get it back in blood, left that dumb bitch on the ivy. Ain't shit sweet, no ice cream, but these niggas still bite me. Rap hard in your songs, but bet the bitch won't fight me. My fun's bigger, my gun's bigger, my ass fat, so my bun's bigger. My lyrics so lethal, so when I flow, it's like I pull the trigger. 24, Marshall Lynch, yeah bitch, I'm going beast mode. Hardest player in the fucking game, yeah bitch, I got the cheat code. I'm a different breed, I promise, there's no one else like me. I'm a different breed, stop it, on flow, no copy. No machine, all facts, ho. Spin it back in, get it back though. School of rock when I'm on the mic. Call me Jack Black Ho. Life a gamble, black Jack Ho. Roll the dice and keep it strapped though. No giving up cause I'm on a mission. That's why I'm all across the map, ho. In Chicago from Dallas, the Triple D, my palace. Ballin' hard, step in the mud. I feel like the baddest cyclops in Olympus, bitch. Don't play with me. Fuck. Yeah, that bitch Caesar. Fuck that bitch. That bitch don't know nothing, okay?
this is during my Halloween festival. It was a bitch named Ivy that performed, and he basically tried to get a refund for his friends. And I told the bitch, get it back in blood, otherwise you ain't get shit. So I did a double entendre and placed that as my song, because the bitch ain't gonna whoop my ass.